Hi guys, today Miss Vidal is going to read you a story. The book that I will be reading today is called What Do You Do? But before we get started, we're going to recap on the parts of the book. We haven't done that in a while, so let's talk about the different parts of a book. Okay, so What Do You Do is the title of the book. This right here is the spine of the book. This whole thing right here is called the front of the book by Amy Benn. So that means this is the writer, and illustrated by Alex Weishart. That means that she created the images. So let's get started. What Do You Do by Amy Benn, illustrated by Alex Weishart. Every day, Ruby sees her mom leave for work. She wears a suit. She takes a briefcase. What does Ruby's mom do? Where does Ruby's mom go? I wonder where she goes. When Ruby's mom gets home, Ruby asks, "Mom, what do you do?" Ruby's mom says, "I work with a lot of people. I help people get money. I work in a bank." Remember last week, guys, we talked about what we have to do to get money. We normally have to do something like a chore or get a job. That is so interesting. Ruby's mom also says that she works to earn money. She earns money so that they can buy a house, clothes, and food. Do you guys remember last week we talked about needs and wants? Remember, house, clothes, and food are all needs. Every day, Lee sees his dad leave for work. He wears a uniform. He takes a lunch box. What does Lee's dad do? Where does Lee's dad go? Where is he going with his lunchbox? When Lee's dad gets home, Lee asks, "Dad, what do you do?" Lee's dad says, "I work with a lot of people. I use machines. I work in a factory." Oh my goodness, he's a factory worker. So, a factory makes different things that we can buy at a store, like toys. Let's keep reading. Lee's dad also says that he works to earn money. He earns money so that he can buy a house, clothes, and food. Once again, house, clothes, and food are all needs. Every day, Tracy sees her dad leave for work. He wears jeans and a t-shirt. He wears a tool belt. What does Tracy's dad do? Where does Tracy's dad go? That is an interesting story. Where do you think he goes? What do you think he does? Let's continue. When Tracy's dad gets home, Tracy asks, "Dad, what do you do?" Tracy's dad says, "I work for a lot of people. I help build houses. I am a construction worker." Oh my goodness, a construction worker? Let's continue. Tracy's dad also says that he works to earn money. He earns money so he can buy a house, clothes, and food. Once again, house, clothes, and food are needs. People have different jobs. People wear different clothes to work. What job does your mom or dad do? I suggest looking at your parents. seeing if your parents will tell you what job do they do. The end. Good job, guys. Thank you for listening.